I feel like should have dropped these as individual pairs and let Ja rock a mismatch in the season.
Let me get a dough.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I think y'all slept on these. I think y'all might have slept on these, bro. Not even gonna lie to you. I was asleep the first two. But good Lord. I was asleep too. But it's good. Oh my God. Hold on, brother. Yeah, I was asleep too. I ain't gonna lie. I was asleep. But I'm woke now. Only thing I'm gonna say. It's the only thing I'm gonna say. I feel like they should have dropped these as individual pairs and let Ja rock a mismatch in the season. Cause now you got two different pair of shoes out. Now people like, oh shit, I'm gonna cop both just so I can mismatch. You feel what I'm saying? Like, yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna say. But other than that, bro, nah, these it. I ain't gonna lie. I was on that purple pair, the pink pair at first. I ain't gonna cap to you, but these different. These different, bro. We're gonna try these on, see how they fit. Cause I went on and sized up just cause I know certain basketball shoes do be tight. Like my GT Pros, my bad. I be thinking about Logic Pro every time I say this. My GT Cuts, they're a little tight, but I actually hoop in them. So I'm expecting them to break in all the way. These, I'm not gonna hoop with these. I'm finna wear these. These on some fashion type deal, you feel me? So I went on and sized up a little bit. We're gonna see what it do though. Yeah, we'll check it out in a minute. I should have hooked up the mics for these, but I don't be feeling like sometimes I just be in the zone, bro, and I just start recording, so. Yeah, size up. Go on size up, half a size up. Half a size up. If you got wide feet, go and do the whole thing, bro. Do the whole dash if you got wide feet. Cause mine, no, I don't got wide feet, and 11 and a half is perfect on some everyday wear. Now, if I was gonna hoop in these, I'd go true to size, cause I can tell, y'all probably can't see, my toe is, my big toe right there. Bam, big toe right there. But it got a little snugness around it too, so, yeah. Only half size up that thing, man. Yeah. You gonna wear these casually and not to hoop. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Damn, that broke my fucking motherfucking neck. That shit hurt. Damn, they fucked up my thumb, dog. You gonna lace them up, see what it. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a big lacing guy. Cause no cap, to me, the laces just don't be long enough for me. Like, I don't be wanting my shit all yoked up. Some of y'all niggas be yoking up out shit, bro. You feel me? I'm probably not gonna tie these up. If I do, I'm going down a loop. If I tie, I usually don't go all the way to that top loop. Yeah, man. These done, bro. I'm rocking with them. I don't care if you are or not, cause I am. The Ja 3, Channel 12. Yeah, man, what the vibes. You feel me? Got the what the vibes, but it's not really a what the. The shoe's almost like not even related, other than, cause like let's think about it. All right, you got a yellow lace here, but this more like the what they call it, the Vote. It's like an off Vote. It's not Vote, but it's close to Vote. I can't remember the actual name for it, right? But this yellow, this like University Gold, I want to say. I guess it kind of matched the outsole, but I don't know. Then you got the orange lace over here. But I guess it tied in with the Nike sign, because you got the little bit of orange, but that's more of a pink. I don't know, bro. To me, the shoes ain't even really related like that. This one more so, yeah, because you got this Nike check is the same color as this shoe. Whereas this check really not the same color as the yellow shoe. So I don't know, it's really like two totally different shoes. Not even really a what. But it's, you get what I'm saying, bro. But yeah, man, The Ja 3, again, you hear me, the channel 12 joints. I think these done. I like these. I probably will double back on price of admissions. I probably will, I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably gonna really wait for Nike to do this Nike ID or Nike by you, so I can go ahead and customize me some that too. Either way, I'm satisfied with these, man. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what y'all think about the Ja 3 channel 12. Also, let me know, do y'all agree with my take on they should have dropped these as 2 separate shoes and just let Ja create the hype of mismatching them? Because that's what I think. I think they should have let Ja create the hype of mismatching. I don't know. Let me know. It could just be my opinion. I might just be tripping. We're gonna get on up out of here. So, man, hey, which one y'all like better? Which shoe y'all like better? Because at first, looking at the pictures, I was rocking that purple joint. I was like, nah, that purple one, that's what initially made me buy. But yeah, now that I got them in hand, I don't know. I like them both. If they both dope, I can't really say which one is dopest. Anyway, man, it's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. Finna get on up out of here, man. Enjoy the rest of my day. Holla at your boy in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We up out of here, man.